Greetings, folks. It's Sarah. Today I am out on Lake Ponderay in beautiful Sandpoint, Idaho, and I am featuring out here my 12 favorite cook stoves. I hauled them 3 hours all the way out here to set them up on this lake to get some epic videos for you guys. So today I am featuring the Roby Marmiton. I have it burning right here, and I am going to give you my 5 top reasons why I love this stove. Number 1 is going to be the overall aesthetics of the stove. I really think Roby does a nice design on it. This is going to be the standard black model, and you do get these nice cute little chrome details on the corner and on the handles. That's going to come standard. I really like these nice cast iron legs as well. Roby does a nice job on the detailing. Number 2 is going to be the overall firebox. Every single Roby stove that I have ever burned has amazing air control and also an excellent air wash design, as in this glass is burning super duper clean even though we're outside and we have a super small chimney stack. Number 3, this model is going to be EPA certified. Certain areas may have specific requirements against not being able to burn the stove unless it's EPA approved. Do keep in mind, though, that all wood cook stoves are EPA exempt as long as they meet the specific requirements. However, Roby went ahead and took that extra step to be able to add in that EPA certification requirement. Number 4, this model is fully UL and ULC listed for North America, for the USA and Canada, so you will have absolutely no problems at all with homeowners inspections, building inspections, or wet inspections. Number 5, the Roby company is excellent to deal with. I know the owner of the company personally, and he is just excellent. He really does a nice job backing up his product, supporting his dealers, and supporting their customers. So overall, the product is as good as the company that stands behind it. I absolutely love Roby and their products. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video on my top 5 reasons why I love the Marmiton. If you guys like these videos, please give me that thumbs up. Click the subscribe button in the corner of the channel. Thanks so much for watching. God bless and have a wonderful day.